Welcome to the Whiskey Creek Railway and the silver mine. I want to show you what we have done to improve the headroom in a critical passage of the silver mine. So what we did is that we had those beams which are here, which are very tall and above the track. We cut half of the height of those beams. So from here to here that was removed, and then we sistered them. So sistered them is putting a side plank on both sides to reinforce the strength of the remaining portion of the beam, and bolted on both sides on the footers of the deck. So very, very sturdy. The last operation has been to put those sliders or guides so that if somebody's head is a little bit too tall, it's going to be pressed down as the passenger is going below the beam. It took me a while to think about all those solutions, as you can imagine, and that has been implemented on both sides. Let me show you sideways, because with the light in the back. So the same guides here to direct the head down so that there is no bump and it's safe. Let me go back on the other side. I think the light is much better. Here we go. Enjoy. And next, of course, is going to try it with the passengers. I have already tried it with myself, and it's very good. It's very effective. But let's see the passengers' opinion on this solution. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section below the video.